Friends, running kimono here. So I thought this week wouldn't be that great at Walgreens, but oh my gosh, the roof is off the door. My keyboard's on fire. This is a wow. We have $60 of free Olay skincare. Do I have your attention? I have my own attention. I don't even need coffee this morning. I'm so excited. If you guys could do me a huge kindness, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. If you have the hype button, also press that. Really helps out the channel if you can press the hype button. Now, before we dive into this insanity that's just magic, the Dollar General clearance event is a week long, so it continues right till Thursday the 7th. Yesterday, I went out just to a couple stores floating around and killing a little bit of time. Look what I got for like $10. I'm going to post a little short later with some of these matchups, but even if you are just a pharmacy shopper, if you have a Dollar General and you want to try and look for some of this stuff, a lot of this stuff is on regular shelves. They did not pull it, especially if your store is busy. I'm going to link a short later today, if not early this evening, with some of these matchups, if you could still track down some of this stuff, because 57 cents for a box of Band-Aids or 13 cents men's body wash, it's absolutely what it's at. So look for that later today for all my Dollar General shoppers. And again, if you are just about the pharmacy shopping, maybe it's time to step over to the Dollar General and try and find a couple of these deals. Okay, the first deal that we're going to do is curbside. And I know that this is usually an in-store video, but the first deal is curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. For this deal, you're also going to have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, as you need a receipt because you're doing both IBOTTA and Fetch with this deal. So these are actually stacking, where you're going to get $22 when you spend $45 on P&G, and then $35 get $7 on a regular schmegular basket. So these two are in fact stacking, so that is something for us today. Aunt Rach is recommending that you do this sooner than later because this will get cleared from your store very quickly. We have this Olay lifting pen for $34.99 with a $15 digital coupon, and it's part of the spend $45 to earn back $15. The super serum, we have an additional $10 digital, and it's also part of that promotion. So I know a lot of us love the fancy dancy skincare, so this is definitely the deal. Now, just to show you guys, we have that $15 manufacturer coming off, our $10 manufacturer, and then an additional $9 with the code SAVE20. If you can't get it to attach, maybe log out and log back in if you've already used it, say the week previous. The overall total for this is $69.98, and then we're taking $9 off, so you're still at that $60 threshold. We also have $25 in manufacturer coupons coming off with your tax. I'm going to pay $39.64 with my debit card, and then I'm getting back $22 for the 2 boosters. Do not use any Walgreens cash with this one as well. You need a receipt. It's not negotiable. Over on IBOTTA, there is a 10 back when you buy 2. Now, if you can get this, it may or may not work because they're being kind of coy with if you're allowed to use coupons or not. It may or may not work, but if it does, that's an extra 10 for you. And then a lot of us have this Fetchtopia. I believe this is going on right till Tuesday the 5th. $9 back when you spend $50. I think you might be close to there, especially if you've been buying body wash and little items at the Dollar General. So if you can land both, it's completely free. And a moneymaker, if you can only land one, it's $5 for the 2. Make this happen before Tuesday. So the next group of in-store deals that we're going to look at are just deals that you can use with Walgreens cash. We're not going to do another monster basket. We're just going to look at regular deals because I think curbside is the best way to get booster stacking, which we will investigate tomorrow, which is Monday the 4th. If you are an avid Dawn dish soap, you love it. We have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, which doesn't show up very often. For these 18 ounces, this is the one that you're going to load. All manufacturer digitals are of a one-time use as well. It's the 18-ounce bottles or the smaller suds ones. Go with the 18 ounces. So 2 of these would be $5.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $3.98 for 2 or $1.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but With this one, make it happen, especially if you love Dawn dish soap, because we often don't get deals on these soaps. Another one that's really fantastic is the $4.99 Power Wash. We have a $2 digital coupon, dropping this down to $2.99 for one. So really pay attention to those units, but this is also a tremendous little deal. In this store, really, really, really pay attention, guys, for the liter Listerines that are $7. This is a spend 20 to earn back a $10 register reward, and we currently have a $1 digital coupon. Now, if you ever go to your dental office as much as I do, sometimes they have a nice little tear pad of coupons. It's really hard to land these Listerine coupons, but you might have to get creative if you can find a couple more, because one coupon you can't do much with, but hey, I guess it's better than nothing. But grabbing 3 of these at $7 a pop, that's 21 bucks. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay 20. Get back a $10 register reward, making it 10 for 3 or $3.33 per Listerine. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but we don't often get deals this great with Listerine. So if you use this on the daily, I would definitely stock up. Why not? Another great deal that we have this week are on these P&G laundry cares at $4.99. $5 reward when you buy 4. And currently we have dollar digitals for all 4 of these products. Look for the tags in store. Just do not grab anything. And these are the coupons that you're going to load. So you're just getting a nice assortment of laundry care, especially if you're a newer couponer trying to build your stockpile. I would definitely, indulge in this one. Why not? Because usually it's $5.49 for this. So they're giving us a little bit of savings this week because they're being so generous. But 4 of these laundry care products at $19.96, subtracting that $4 digitals, you're going to pay $15.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per laundry care product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if some of this stuff is tagged, that is part of the promotion and on a bigger clearance, I would grab those. So it's a lot cheaper. So be on the lookout for those. So this is a carryover from last week, the dollar Dove shampoo. So you're going to grab 2 of them for $10. And we have this 4 off of 2. Again, if you did this deal last week, the coupon didn't reappear. But maybe you can let me know. I forgot to do this deal last week. I was so busy. But 2 of these for 10, subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but definitely make this one happen. Like, you have nothing to lose, and for $1, that's quite the stock up price. Now, this deal is not part of the spend 45 to earn back 15 online, and it's in store 5 back when you buy 3 of them. We have this coupon, and if you remember, I was talking about Fetch, about the spend 50 to earn back 9 with the Fetchtopia. If you have the same rebate as a lot of you might be really, really close to this, so this might push you to it. So grabbing 3 of these Olay body washes for $24, subtracting that coupon, you'll pay $17. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 12 for 3 or $4 each. And if you are close to Fetch, you might get your extra $9. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And double, triple check that you have this rebate. As you can see, I have a bunch tracking for me. So this would probably get me very close to it. Maybe not quite. Maybe the skincare deal is a better one for me. But if you want to sign up for Fetch, you submit any receipt. It could be your groceries from 3 days ago. You're given $2 in points. Check out the link and my referral code in the notes and sign up today. Fancier Colgate products that are $6. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. Look for the items that are tagged in your store, and this is what the coupon looks like, the 5 off of 2. And if you've ever been curious about these fancier lines, maybe this is the week to try it. Grabbing 2 of the nicer toothpaste for $12. I can't say fancy 6 times in 1 minute. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The 5 off 2 for the brushes, 5 off 2 for the paste, 2 separate transactions, so that register reward will print for you twice. Where I'm going to ask you to really, really pay attention. This $2 off of one is off of the clip for your car or the fabric spray. It's not off of each. So you'll have to pick, do you want the car clip or do you want the fabric spray? I would go for the fabric spray. It's $3.49. After that $2 coupon, it's $1.49. That is a no-brainer deal this week. And we also have the smaller boxes of the Kellogg's cereal for $1.99. So if you have a teenager who loves this and eating you out of house and home, maybe $1.99 is a good stock-up price. The $1 off 2 or 3 coupon is on the family size boxes, not the smaller ones. So please keep that in mind, but maybe grabbing like 5 and using $10 in Walgreens cash is possibly a deal. Some Dollar General stuff from last Friday linked right here. And watch out later for new Dollar General stuff in a YouTube short. I will post that later today. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.